1, 2, 1, 2.
Hey y'all, I know we're already at the park. We didn't have time to film before we got to the park.
Yeah.
We're at Aquatica. We're about to get food. Oh my god, they just did like a freaking kickflip. Okay, wow. That's it. That's little curl. And yeah, we're kind of having a rough time.
Yeah, a little bit.
Because everyone's kind of being a little bit of a
annoying.
A bitch. Yeah. But we're making the most of it. We're gonna go on a ride after this, and yeah. We'll see you.
We got some tacos. And they gave me this.
Yeah, I didn't know it came with that.
Chips. Okay. I got this hot sauce, but I don't know about it. So I'm gonna bust it open and see what it is.
I started my period.
Yeah, and we had to go through the line twice.
Oh yeah, because they didn't take cash. It's cash. It's card only.
A cashless part. With what sign?
This is diarrhea. Putting it on all of them? Is it good? It tastes like school cafeteria. Chips stale as fuck. That didn't look like they were stale, but they're stale.
They are.
Ooh. Yo, oh my god. Really pulled it up over there.
If you want a bite, you can have one.
Okay. That sauce really isn't spicy. I think so.
Not with the tiny drizzle.
It does taste like cafeteria food.
It does.
But low-key, the cafeteria is kind of mean. That the cafeteria had was low-key good. So
Yeah, I agree. This was the best.
Don't freak out.
I thought I walked 5 minutes ago.
Oh.
It's got like
With Diet Coke, the soda machines all didn't work. It's not that the machine didn't work, but each soda thing you would put it under, nothing would come out. Neither of them had ice.
I got a fart.
I went to get Diet Coke and it filled up this much of my cup and it stopped. And then I went back 5 minutes later and it filled the rest of my cup all the way. But these tacos are pretty okay.
Yeah, we're eating and then we're gonna go on a ride. What? Oh. I'm so mad I started my period. Now my stomach hurts.
My stomach hurts too, but probably not as bad as hers. That's why nobody's sitting over here.
My stomach hurts.
And I don't want to have it come out.
So, I see.
I don't think that's going to happen, but
You never know. Diarrhea. You think they can hear us? I think so. I hope they can.
but after probably another bite, I'll die. Also, this was the one big chip I got. Crumbs. And then this.
Yeah, whatever the hell that is.
Raw chip. It literally has glistening oil on it.
Oh. I didn't even notice that. We're digesting junk.
VIP parking is $55. I need iPhone. Yeah. Maybe she sensed it. Yeah. We're gonna go sit down. Oh. 6 out of 10. Tacos, 6 out of 10. Chips were a 0. Because, yeah, I would say tacos were like an 8 out of 10 for me. They're pretty, I like basic, like and the onions and cilantro. Yeah. The chips, they weren't that good. No. Oh, what about the soda?
The whole thing is skin. No, it was.
I'm sorry. It was Diet Coke, so I don't like Diet Coke.
Fold it and put it on my sandwich.
I'm a Pepsi person.
Was there no Pepsi?
There was no Pepsi. They have only Coke products, which is stupid. They could have Pepsi.
Then they would have had Dr. Pepper.
Pepsi products are so much better.
They are. Okay, bye guys. Hi guys. We're getting ready to go on a ride.
Yep.
We're gonna vlog. And we're gonna have so much fun.
I wonder what they can hear.
Yeah, it's probably this loud ass music.
Yeah.
We'll see you guys.
Hey y'all. We're getting ready.
We're not recording you, don't worry.
We're getting ready for the water slide. Hold on. I hope they can. If you can't hear, that's okay.
Yeah, they're in that little plastic.
Yeah, you're in plastic.
We'll put
So
like music over it.
yeah. But yeah.
We're ready.
We're at Aquatica. We're getting ready to do the water slide. It's gonna be awesome.
I put my glasses on. Am I cool?
Yeah, you're cool. You're the coolest.
Oh!
I almost dropped the phone,
Yeah,
but
what the hell? Don't.
yeah, we're gonna record on the ride.
We got a little cover. That's why we may be muffled.
Yeah, that's why you may not be able to hear at all. But you know. Anyway.
Ooh, it's hot as hell.
I know.
We'll see you.
3, 2, 1.
Guys, that was great. Hey guys.
Hey y'all.
We're going to the Rapid Rivers.
Yep. Baby's first water slide today.
Oh yes, first water park.
Yes, baby's first water park. Yeah.
Yeah, you think you're funny.
Yeah, I'm just asking.
You think it's mine when we...
How old are you?
I'm 4 years old.
You are the
Youngest person ever.
You are the youngest person ever.
And it's gonna be nice.
Yeah. We're in the water.
Yeah, we're in the water.
We're in the water.
Get in the water.
In the water. Oh shit! What the hell? Why do y'all need life jackets for? Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh, that way! Right side?
Yep. That's not the speed side.
Yes. Oh, this means. Oh shit, we're hooked. Woo! Woo!
Do you think they did one more lap?
I told them to get out the next lap. Oh no! Okay, we lost one.
Yeah, we lost one.
We're still waiting, guys.
Yeah, we are.
Can't see shit on this, by the way. So we don't know how this looks.
Yeah, we can't see shit.
I feel sunburn on my face. My face
Yeah, I
burns.
know my face is red.
Yeah.
Hey guys.
Started downpouring on us.
Yeah, we're not wet from the water at the park.
No, we're actually in the car.
Yeah.
We're still here
Yeah, we are. We've been
in
here
traffic.
for like 30 minutes.
Yeah.
We haven't moved,
No,
actually,
not at all.
at all, because people keep cutting us.
Girl,
What girl?
The scooter?
got hit on the scooter.
Oh.
Oh my god. This is the traffic.
We got out.
My phone's dead, so we're on Evelyn's.
Yeah.
I know,
Driving
but, like,
home, it's
pisses me off. Your mom's been
Finally.
home for 2 hours.
5 minutes.
We're literally just getting on I-4.
You see that? Those bitches I was talking about earlier? That was it? That was it?
Yeah, or at least sitting in the car. You know what I mean? We were driving, really, but
I
we were
think-
sitting in the car.
I'll record a video when I get home. Evelyn will record a video when she gets home.
Yes.
Okay? And
hour there today.
Yeah.
What, 2 hours at least?
we're trying to conserve battery. We don't
Yeah.
have an iPhone charger.
2.5 hours. Plus,
Bye, guys.
you know,
I hope you liked the vlog.
another hour
I hope
now.
so.
And I hope you liked the videos at the end.
And we
Yeah.
really want to get